Welcome. This serves as the base for my pattern. So right now I'm going to start. I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So I insert into the second loop right here. I proceed. Next loop. So this is going to be my border for this pattern. So right now I chain 2. 1, 2. So I count 1, 2, 3 at the base. So I proceed. Triple crochet. And you see, so right now I chain another 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I proceed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I chain 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, which means I skip 3. I skip 2 loops. Sorry. Let me take that again. 1, 2. So I'm skipping these first 2 loops. Then I insert in the third loop. Triple crochet. Three, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this round or on this row. Now, as you can see right here, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 2 this time. 1, 2. So I insert into the second loop right here with double crochet. Next loop, double crochet. Can you see? So I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert right here with double crochet. I proceed in this next loop, double crochet. So right now I yarn over, I insert like so, can you see? So with triple crochet this time. Triple crochet, triple crochet. So I proceed, I insert right here, can you see, with double crochet. And the last loop right here, double crochet. Can you see? So I chain 2, 1, 2. I skip this big loop, I move here with double crochet, next double crochet, so I yarn over and move into this loop with triple crochet, triple crochet. Can you see? So I proceed, triple crochet. Can you see? So I have 3 triple crochet at the in the middle, as you can see here. Also here 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you see? So the same thing here. So I proceed into the next loop here with double crochet. You can see how simple this pattern is. All you need to do is to follow the process and you will surely get it. So I proceed, I chain 2, 1, 2, I insert right here with double crochet, next double crochet. Now here is going to be triple crochet, here too triple crochet, triple crochet. You see? So I yarn over, I move into this with double crochet, double crochet, 1, 2. So I insert right here, double crochet. Can you see the pattern? So this is how I'm going to proceed on this row till I round it up. As you can see right here, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. This time I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in this second loop right here with triple crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert right here, triple crochet. Next loop, next triple crochet, next triple crochet, can you see? So I chain 2, 1, 2, I insert triple crochet till I complete this round. Now you see, so I chain 2, 1, 2. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. Now here I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert in the second loop right here with double crochet, next loop, double crochet, so I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert here with double crochet, next double crochet. Can you see? So right now I'm going to insert here with triple crochet. Triple crochet. Can you see? So I insert right here with double crochet. Sorry, double crochet, 1, 2. Insert here, double crochet, next double crochet. So I proceed here with triple crochet. That's 1, triple crochet, 2, triple crochet, 3. So I insert here with double crochet. Now the last loop here, double crochet. And you see, so I chain 2, 1, 2. So I proceed like so till I round it up on this row. As you can see, I've completed the round also. Can you see? So I proceed again. Here I'm going to chain 3 this time. 1, 2, 3. So I proceed into this next loop with triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert here with triple crochet. Triple crochet across the loops on this row. Can you see? Triple crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert here, triple crochet, also across this line or across these loops. Can you see? Sorry, triple crochet. So like so, I proceed till I run this tutorial up. So I've come to the end of this tutorial. Can you see this pattern? Can you see the uniqueness in this pattern? Very unique and very beautiful. Can you see? It's very, very easy. All you need to do is to follow the steps that I took. You will have it exactly like this. So I want to appreciate you all for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up by clicking on the liking button below to appreciate this work. Thank you very much. And if you're watching my tutorial, my video for the very first time, I welcome you to this channel. Here is a channel where you can learn a lot. A lot. All you need to do is to click on the subscribe button below, and you click on the notification bell as well, so that you can have access to my videos. Thank you very, very much. Till I come your way again. Bye for now.